welcome to the second episode of the series of turning you from nothing, from noob to profitable, and making day trading your job, basically. So in this episode, we are going to talk about the market structure and how to actually determine where is the market, not like where is the market moving, but how is it moving? Yeah, like what we are actually seeing here. Yeah, like you see all these candlesticks and stuff, and you don't know what to do with it. And today, I'm going to capture that. First thing, the market structure is made up of this swing highs and swing lows. Yeah, like these highs and lows. So, what is a swing high? What is a swing low? Swing high is a swing high and swing low is a three candle formation where basically the swing high is the highest point of the three candles, and vice versa for the swing low is the lowest point of the three candles. Yeah, if we zoom into the chart, we can see on the 5 minute we are right now, you can see like this swing high, this swing high, swing high, swing low. But whenever we are determining the full price lag, we do not take like these random levels. We want to see a broke of that level. Yes, so we'll swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, and this swing low or this swing high doesn't really matter because it wasn't broken. Yeah, like these are the swing low and swing high, and between them, what is happening doesn't really matter because it's just clutter, or I don't know how to say it. It's just clutter. It's just that we don't mind it. Yeah, but when the price broke the level and forms another swing low, this is now our swing high. The latest price lag is determined like that, from the swing high to the swing low. And again, between like this swing high, swing low, swing low, swing high, swing high, just does not matter only after the swing high or swing low is broken. Yeah, it was broken here. We could go up, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Yeah, we could go like that on and on, on and on and on. So right now we understand swing high and swing low. The next thing we want to understand the trends. It's really intuitive. Bullish trend is just when we are forming higher highs and higher lows. And opposite for the bearish trend, we form low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and just on and on and on. But there can be also like the third type of the market when it's consolidating. Yeah, it's just constantly sweeping out the highs and lows. Yeah, generally traders do not want to trade the market which is ranging, because you cannot profit when the price is not changing, essentially. When like it was here at like 6 a.m. and you move out and it was the same price at 12 a.m. You don't want to trade that. So these are the three types of market structure, as you can say. And the third, the most important thing of how to actually determine whether the market is trending or what is the current trend, is the market structure shift. It's basically when a swing low or a swing high is broken in the opposite trend. Yeah, like we had a uptrend, we broke it, formed another lower swing high, a lower swing low, and it continued in that direction, in the opposite direction. And same for the bullish example. Yeah, like we were in a downtrend, we were forming lower highs and lower lows, and then we broke the latest swing high, made a higher swing high, and after that we made a higher swing low. But do not get trapped into thinking that there is market structure when there is not, because it could look something like that, maybe like that. And what do we see? You might say, like, here's microstructure shit, right? No, because this was the latest price lag. This was just clutter. The price broken above, but a swing low was lower than the previous swing low. Yeah, you see, so no market structure shift happened, and that's pretty much it. You need to really watch it in the chart to actually get it into practice. So like just hop into the random time frame, like 15-minute or like an hourly, doesn't really matter, and just look what is happening. Yeah, like what do we see? High, low, clutter. We are not interested in that. High, latest lows here. Yeah, okay, clutter, clutter, broken above, high, latest lows here, clutter, clutter, clutter. I don't think this was maybe clutter, clutter. Yeah, again, failed. But when we broke it. Also, I forgot to mention, you do not take this as a broken level because you need to actually, the price need to actually close below the swing low. So the market structure shift actually happened here when the price closed and formed the next swing low. It was here and the swing high was here. So this was the latest price lag. And again, clutter, yeah, we again broken above, went up, yeah, we broken it. We might as well made a higher swing low, but this was the recent price lag. Again, move down, continue the below bearish trend. Yeah, I need to actually sit in front of the chart and look at how is the market moving, because you cannot learn or take experience or gain experience just from watching YouTube videos. You need to actually sit down after work, sit down after school, sit down in your free time and scroll on the market and look what is it doing. Yeah, and read it essentially, because I'm just showing you the alphabet of the market. Yeah, just as you were in primary school learning letters, like yeah, this is A, this is M, this is A, this is R, this is K, this is E, this is T. Yeah, and you read it. Oh, it's market. Same for this. You learn market structure shift. You learn swing high and swing low. You learn trends. You learn all this stuff, and then you need to sit down and read the price action. That's all. See you in the next one. Peace.